I welcome the steps taken by the Government of India to fulfill the directions of Honorable Supreme Court for holding the elections within time, and All India Bar Association and the lawyers feel that this is a good step so that the people's confidence is there in government making, and people will be happy once the democratic system is adhered in Jammu and Kashmir. People of this Jammu and Kashmir are very much sincere to the interest of India, and we are hopeful that by having the elected government, entire people of this state and the union territory will be happy, and they will have good governance, and so that nobody can blame that elected leaders are not running the state. Second, there were certain problems which were being faced by our advocates in the state, like non-functioning, not properly functioning of the Central Administrative Tribunal. Now, today I had a talk with the Honorable Law Minister, Mr. Meghwalji, and he has assured that all steps will be taken. The building for the CAT will be provided so that lawyers can appear before CAT physically and online. There is also resentment of the lawyers that the High Court building should not be transferred, should not be shifted to a new complex, and the lawyers will be facing problems because today they are attending High Court as well as District Court at the same premises, same area. Afterwards, they will have the present District Court and new complex of the High Court. Honorable Law Minister has pointed out, if the Bar Association decides by holding a secret ballot that whether the lawyers want to move to new High Court or lawyers want to remain in this old High Court, that decision of the Bar Association will be implemented. These steps are being taken to ensure that lawyers should not face any difficulty because there was so much resentment in the legal fraternity of Jammu and Kashmir. Second, earlier the registration of the sale deed were being done by our civil courts, but now this work has been given to revenue courts, civil tehsildar, and they have been posted in. They were having there are 4 tehsildars, sub-registrars in different parts of this Jammu. Lawyers are facing difficulty because they were doing this work from the same court premises. So, steps the Law Minister has assured that in the present building of District Court, these revenue courts, Tehsildar court will be also made arranged there, so that the lawyers and even the litigants will not face any difficulty. Litigants who are coming for registration of the documents can also attend the court proceedings, at least of District Court, if the new High Court, the High Court is shifted to new building. And if it remains here only, then it will be more convenient not only to the lawyers but to litigants also. So this was the main purpose, because I have discussion with many lawyers, social activists, and that's why being the chairman of All India Bar Association, we are happy that government is going to decide things as per the majority decision of the lawyers.